Hey guys, my name is Tana. I am now in UKM, as you can see behind me here, and I got a call early today to get my vaccine done. So yeah, it's a big queue here. So this is the vaccine place. As you can see here, you wait here. You come into the door there. They will check your IC, scan there. Over there, they will check your IC, and here they give you the card. And here's my card, and that's the booth where you go and get your vaccines done. So yeah, this is in UKM Dewan Gemilang, and yeah, excited, nervous, all in one. F8. Does that mean I should buy a Ferrari F8? But yeah, I'm waiting here. Okay. Okay. Okay, sorry. Oh no lah, actually it's very smooth lah. Dia kecil je.
Ya.
Jarum dia.
Jarum dia kecil. Ambil baru dulu. Lepas.
Lama tak kena suntik.
Bila last?
Ini masih kecil tu. Kecil.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. And thank you for helping our nation.
Thank you.
Bye. Oh, kena scan Process we came in there, they checked our temperature, went to that counter, and that counter they verified myself and got my scan in MySejahtera. Went there, and I think over there they asked me a question and signed the form, and over there is where I got myself jabbed with the vaccine. And if you come back here, over there they gave me my vaccine card, and here is the waiting area. So the idea is after you get a vaccine, you wait here for 15 minutes, make sure that you are fine, and 15 minutes is long enough for you to know if any reaction, any symptoms or any issues, allergic reaction comes from the vaccine. And as I said, everything is fine, I feel healthy. And once I'm done, time now is 4:20, 18 whatever. At about 4:30 I will go and have it, pick up my cert, and I will leave, or the vaccine card, sorry. So I came at 4 o'clock sharp. Less than half an hour I'm done. It's very fast, very quick, very easy. So guys, do your duty as citizens of Malaysia. Go get the vaccine done. So just like that, my vaccine is done. This is my vaccine card. I'll come back in 12 weeks to get my second dose. Now, so go out there and get your vaccine done as a Malaysian. Go guys.